Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So those might be E's, but they might not be. It's an 8-letter word and only 2 pairs of letters are repeated, so that means that there's lots of degrees of freedom here. There's 4 letters that can be absolutely anything. So let's get rid of the E's. Let's try an ing ending. How would that help? That would have to be an N. Now, what would this be? Probably a consonant, but I'm not sure there's any consonants that are going to work, so probably not an ing ending. How about est? Then that would be an S. And then these two would have to be the same again, but I don't like the look of those. I suppose it could be an I. Slimiest, maybe. Okay, we're not remotely close, but at least we've got some information. 4 letters. Very interesting. But they're all quite common letters, so it still might be really difficult to work this word out. It's not a repeated I. We know that because there's a grey I here. Still could be a repeated E. Could be E's there, an ER ending perhaps. But then, I suppose maybe an IER ending. Because we have to use the I, of course. But the trouble is, we're either going to have L's there or T's there. Unless we've specifically got a T there and an L there, but that feels very unlikely. So I'm not liking this E at the beginning, Lark. But I've got absolutely no idea what else it could be. That feels like it could be a compound word, that's the problem. Talk light. Anything that ends L-I-T-E, of course, is a possibility. Or maybe the L's and the T's are the other way around. Latitude? No. Oh, latitude almost works. But of course, the first and 7th letters are not the same in the word latitude. I might just have to try latitude to give myself some information, even though it can't possibly be correct. Oh, we did have the middle of the word correct. So we do have an L and a D, so the L is not going to be there, it can't be there, so it's going to end in L. That's interesting. Or I suppose possibly the L is actually there, it's going to be entitled, so it was an E at the beginning. I'm glad I went for latitude, because I could have been here all day once I decided it probably wasn't an E at the start. Guess an unusual word, I'm sure I've done that before and got that achievement, but maybe it was on a different device. I'm not sure why this was such an unusual word anyway, but I'm not complaining. I like trophies. So that's another 3. I had so many 1s and 2s before I lost all my stats, and I've not had any in the last few days. Only 40 words matched the pattern today, so it was a much more restricted one than it sometimes is. So I'm actually quite relieved to get that in 3. It could have been really difficult. Well, it was quite difficult. So that's Polygonle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.